Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to set up CVS Health Blood Pressure Monitor. Step 1. Unpack the monitor and install the batteries or plug in the device to your outlet. Step 2. Connect the cuff. Attach the rubber tube from the cuff to the port on the side of the monitor. Ensure the cuff is snug but not too tight on your upper arm. Step 3. Properly position yourself. Sit in a quiet place with your back supported. Keep your feet flat on the floor and rest your arm on a table heart level with the palm facing up. And then take a blood pressure reading. Press the start-stop button. The cuff will initiate and deflate automatically. The screen will display your systolic top, diastolic bottom, and pulse rate. And lastly, review and save readings. Some monitors store previous readings. Use the memory button to review past results. And that's basically it.